Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today you learn numbers. Its colors name. Blue color, red color, yellow color, black color, green color, yellow ochre color. Kids now coloring numbers. Kids first draw 1. The numbers of 1 and use blue color. O-N-E 1. Kids again use blue color and draw 2. T-W-O 2. 3. T-H-R-W 3. Kids now draw 4. The numbers of 4 and use red color. 5. The numbers of 5. F-I-V-E 5. Kids again use red color and draw 6. S-I-X 6. The numbers of 6 and again use red color. Kids now draw 7. The numbers of 7 and use yellow color. S-E-V-E and 7. Kids again use yellow color and draw 8. E-I-G-H-T 8 and again use yellow color. Kids now draw 9. The numbers of 9. N-I-N-E 9. Kids now draw 10. The numbers of 10 and use black color. T-E and 10. 11. The numbers of 11. Kids again use black color and draw 12. The numbers of 12. Kids now draw 13. The numbers of 13 and use green color. Kids again use green color and draw 14. The numbers of 14. 15. The numbers of 15. Kids now draw 16. The numbers of 16 and use yellow ochre color. The numbers of 16. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw 17. The numbers of 17. Kids now draw 18. The numbers of 18. Kids now draw 19. The numbers of 19 and use blue color. Kids again use blue color and draw 20. The numbers of 20. Kids now draw 21. The numbers of 21 and again use blue color. Kids now draw 22. The numbers of 22 and use red color. The numbers of 22. Kids again use red color and draw 23. The numbers of 23. Kids last draw 24. The numbers of 24. And again use red color. Kids today draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.